welcome to Top 5 Trending. Today we are back again with another video. Today we have a special surprise for you. Instead of showcasing binge-worthy series, we are back showcasing some binge-worthy snacks to go along with the shows.
So we have bought some of the most popular snacks in India and we'll be eating them right now and dividing them into different tiers based upon their taste. So these are the different tier categories that we have selected. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So the first snack for review is Nutcrackers. Nutcrackers by Haldiram. I think this is a classic chai time snack. It is so flavorful, and I don't think you can stop with just 2-3. You
Spicy
have to,
also.
Yeah, you have to keep on eating it. Definitely, you must try it if you haven't. I don't think anyone has not tried it ever. But if you haven't, then you should try it with tea or with alcohol, whatever your poison is. And as the packet claims, it's a great source of protein, this peanut coated snack. But not sure about that, but it's sure as hell pretty delicious. So where shall we put it?
I think for me it is mouth-watering.
Mouth-watering.
Yeah.
I completely agree. If you haven't tried it, you must.
So the next snack on our list is our childhood favorite, Uncle Chips.
I am a big fan of Uncle Chips, or I think I can't wait to dig right in. The taste has remained exactly the same over the years. I just love Uncle Chips. It has such a great balance of sour and spice and everything.
Also, जो इसका pattern है, zigzag type.
The shape.
So उससे भी काफी crunch आता है.
Yeah. I think इतना ऐसा कुछ pattern है नहीं और किसी chips में.
One of a kind.
Yeah. Uncle Chips is totally awesome, and as the packet says, Bole mere lips, I love Uncle Chips. We love Uncle Chips, and I think everybody loves Uncle Chips. So where do you think it goes?
Obvious है.
It is. Best of best it is.
So the next snack on our list is the best thing that you can get for 5 rupees.
Absolutely.
Oh yes.
So we have 3 flavors here, and just look at how stuffed the packets are. This is the best thing that you can get in 5 rupees. Which one do you want to try?
So I just used to buy 2 flavors of OS, green one and the purple one.
Yeah.
जब ये येलो वाला पहली बार आया था, I was excited to try it, but then I regret that I tried it.
Really? Is it that bad? I don't think I've ever tried this.
So I'll tell you a story about this flavor. So when I bought this, मैंने try किया और मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा. Then I gave it to my friends. Even they didn't like it. So एक dog जा रहा था रास्ते में, तो I just opened the packet and offered OS to the dog. And he also left it, ignored it and left.
So I think we should just go ahead and get over with this one first.
Bad.
I love Chinese, and this apparently is Chinese tadka, but yeah, it's just not good. It's just so sour and
Just sour. No taste.
it has no taste. I thought that you were exaggerating a bit, but now I completely understand why even the dog did not eat this. I think we have a clear winner for one of our categories, and we can completely agree.
Who would eat this?
Next up, I think we should eat something that is delicious. Let's get to cocktail. So I remember taking these chips to school trips, and these packets used to finish in about seconds.
Seconds.
The taste has remained the same.
Love the taste.
But one thing that I do not like about OS is that it just sticks to your mouth, your teeth, everywhere it's there.
I don't know about your teeth. It doesn't happen to me.
Yeah, but it sure as hell is very tasty. I think you should place. I would like to eat.
Well, I think it should be placed in the second category, mouth watering, because I think there is another flavor of OS that beats this one too.
Really? I have not tried that one also.
So the next flavor of OS is tangy pudina. So this is one of my most favorite flavors of OS.
Yeah. Very nice.
I think it justifies the flavor of pudina. You can
Absolutely,
taste the pudina.
I can totally agree with you. And but you know, somewhere I did like cocktail more than this. I don't know.
Also, one more thing that I'm noticing is, I think for the video we are eating it one by one, but in reality we would, eat in chunks.
Yeah, because what fun it is if you have not stuffed your mouth with OS. Are we going to get a demo of the stuffing?
No.
Okay, but I think we can agree and place it in mouth watering. What do you say? Okay, so while Samar is stuffing his mouth, we can place. Really? Okay, well, I still liked it, and let's place it in best of the best.
So the next snack on our list is a biscuit, which is hide and seek.
I'll tell you, I'm not a big fan of biscuits, but these babies, I just can't resist. And you know what? In childhood, I used to dip these in milk and then have it.
I'll tell you a better thing you can do with these biscuits. So you can make a milkshake with these biscuits. So what you can do is grind them. A powder will be formed. Then you mix it with milk and you drink it.
And suddenly this video has turned into a recipe video. But the taste, I think it has gotten a little too sweet. What do you think?
Well, I think it suits my taste buds. I like the sweetness.
I think I'll have to eat my favorite OS after this, just to balance the taste. Or probably nutcracker, definitely. But I would like to place it in eat if there is no other option for you.
Tell me a better biscuit than hide and seek.
Why don't we wait? Maybe we have something for us to review.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so come on, let's agree.
No. I think it is worth trying. It is at least worth trying.
Alright, but worth trying if you make the milkshake. I would go for the milkshake.
So the next item is something जो इंडिया में हर किसी ने कहीं ना कहीं और कभी ना कभी खाया है. It is aloo bhujia. Haldiram aloo bhujia. There are a lot of aloo bhujiyas in the market, but the best one is Haldiram's.
Haldiram, definitely.
And this is the iconic color associated with aloo bhujia. So whenever you go to the market, you must look for Haldiram, number 1. Number 2, the green color.
I think that packaging has never changed also, no?
Yeah, I think the font of the text has changed a bit. Not sure.
Clearly, he has a lot of experience with these.
Yeah.
Really flavorful. It's amazing. And I think the best part is, you need to have, a handful. Like a chunk of it in your hand, and then you eat it like this, and that's when it is fun.
Also, एक और secret recipe.
Oh, we're back at it.
So, what you can do with aloo bhujia is, take a bread, normal bread, any kind of bread, and you just need a bread and aloo bhujia. Take the bread, put aloo bhujia over it, and eat it. And thank me later.
What do you think? Shall we place it?
Yeah, okay.
I think we both will agree that it is mouth-watering.
No.
I think I know what he wants. He wants best of the best.
Yeah.
Aloo bhujia is perfect for your
Well,
free
I
time.
think you will change your mind once you try that secret recipe.
I think so. We have.
How do you think so? You have not tried it yet.
But I trust your judgment, so I will place it here, and I will try the bread thing tonight. That will be my dinner.
Okay. That will be your dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
That and a couple of all the leftover snacks.
Good idea. If I give them to you.
The next snack on our list is a biscuit, and it's the one that I was talking about earlier. I think it fairly beats the earlier one. It is none other than Milano.
I don't really remember the taste. Let's see. So, pretty nice packaging. So, for every biscuit, you get this sort of packaging.
Yeah, and in this box there are like 6 biscuits.
Yeah. It costs 30 rupees.
$30. Pretty good.
So, how much for one biscuit?
5 bucks.
Right answer.
Thank you.
Yeah. Better than hide and seek.
Much better. Oh my god. You know,
So, it has got these chunks of chocolate and it is kind of melted. And in the hide and seek, it was not that melted, sort of.
yeah, it was just sweet. I mean, you could not even feel the chocolate chips anymore.
Yeah.
But this one definitely is a rock star for us.
I think I'll be open to trying milkshake of Milano too. I'll make that my own recipe.
Okay, so I think we'll all try that. But just as the cookie, also it's pretty delicious.
Okay.
So shall we place it in mouth-watering? It is mouth-watering. I mean, you can't just have one cookie and stop. Let's go.
So the next snack on the list is another delight by Haldiram's. Punjabi tadka in the house.
Let's go. I've eaten these before, but it has been a while and I'm eating this again right now, and it just feels like, you know, something is missing. Like the taste is not accurate like it used to be. It's you know, more sour and the flavors are not fine. I don't know, but do you think something is missing?
Yeah, I think something is missing, which is the tag of the MasterChef judge, which you don't have.
Well, I think the rightful way to eat this is, again, you get a handful of it and you chug it with your favorite poison.
So why were you talking against it?
I still like it, but I just thought that the flavors are not accurate. But
Were you trying to be a MasterChef judge?
I do consider myself a food critic sometimes, since I have a history in food.
Oh.
Yeah. So let's just go and place it then. I think we both can agree that it is mouth-watering. Yeah, I think so too.
So the next item on the list is one of the most iconic chips in the Indian market, the Blue Lays.
Yes, magic masala all the way.
I think this is the go-to chips whenever you are confused which chips to buy, from the green, red, blue,
Yeah.
orange, yellow.
It's the most comfortable option.
Yeah, whenever you cannot decide, you pick up the Blue Lays.
Yeah, I think mostly everybody loves it. The taste has remained the same, but I mean the quantity.
So लेज के पैकेट में हवा ज़्यादा होती है, चिप्स कम होते हैं.
I think ये signature style बना लिया उन्होंने अपने सारे chips का. But the taste has remained the same and it still is my favorite chips. What do you think? I think best of the best.
Definitely.
This is what it deserves. I mean,
Best
Blue
chips.
Lays, magic, masala. All
Whenever
the way.
you say chips, I think of Blue Lays.
Let's place it. Now we've come to the last item of our list, and we decided to end it on a sweeter note with gems. Let's go. I don't think I've had it in like a million years.
I also don't remember eating gems.
I also used to think that all the other flavors,
बहुत है.
all the flavors have a distinct taste, but yeah, I found out that I'm wrong, very wrong. You can't just have one and stop. You need to go back and eat more. Gems has maintained that. Colorful, vibrant, but yet homely and comfortable. Just reminds you of your childhood and simpler times. So
Also, it used to come in a different kind of packaging. You know, that cylindrical thing, sort of a box.
yeah,
Do you remember?
Yeah, the cardboard box.
No. A plastic box.
No, plastic box. I don't remember. But I think we can
So,
agree.
what were you doing in your childhood if you don't remember that box?
Well, clearly I was eating OS.
Or maybe you were living in the caves.
Let's just place it now in mouth watering. What do you think? You can't just eat one, that's for sure.
But I don't think it pleases me taste wise right now. I think it should be worth trying if people have not tried it.
Yeah, I mean definitely you should try it once. So let's just place it here. So we have placed all the items in our tier list and this is what it looks like. And here are all the snacks that we have tried. Now after watching the video, you go ahead and decide which one of these would you add to your shopping cart.
Well, I am keeping all these except the yellow OS. You can take that home.
Well, of course, I would gladly take the yellow OS and throw it in trash.
Also, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and we'll keep bringing you more such content. Cheers.
Cheers.